Welcome friends, this is the continuation of our series VB6. Hope you are enjoying this series. In this tutorial, we'll learn about Picturebox and ImageBox control of the VB6. So let's start. First, create a new project. Then resize the form according to your need. One thing to note is there are two similar type of controls in VB6. The first is here, that is the picture box, and the other is here, the image. Both are the same control except one or two things. The major thing is the image control is more flexible as it provides a property called stretchable. That is, it stretches the image. So we will use the image control here. So double click on it and an image control is placed on the form. Then you need to resize it. Then go to the properties pane and set stretchable or stretch is equal to true. You can also set the picture of the image programmatically and via GUI by navigating to the file system. Here you can see that the picture has been set up here. Now we are just resizing the image, and instead of the image, placing a picture box onto the form here, and then programmatically setting the picture of that picture box using a command button. Then double click on the command button to put a command button here. And then on the click event of the command button, put this. In VB6 there is by default method called load picture which accepts number of arguments. The only and mandatory argument is the first one, which is the path of the file to be loaded as the picture. The others are optional. So run the program using F5. Then click on the button. You can see that the image is loaded into the picture box control. This is the image control and this is the picture box control. The only difference is the image has a stretchable property while picture box has not one. So this tutorial was about familiarizing yourself with picture box and image in VB6. Thank you.